Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you step by step how to make brownies. If you follow the right procedure for making brownies, your brownies will be fudgy. So I'm using margarine instead of butter, and I'm using organic ingredients. I have some eggs from the backyard, and then I have some homemade chocolates from the cacao pod from our farm. So guys, let's go and make some brownies. These are the ingredients for the brownies. If you want to copy, you can pause the video. I also posted the whole recipe in the comment section and in the description. So, I have here some all-purpose flour and cocoa powder. You cannot put a lot of flour because your brownies will be ruined. You can put maximum of 1 cup of flour, and you cannot put a lot of cocoa powder, otherwise your brownies will be very bitter. So, I'm going to sift this 2 to 3 times, and then after sifting, I can already preheat the oven. The temperature for the oven is 180 degrees. So, I'm preparing a mixing bowl for the liquid ingredients. I have here some cocoa sugar. You can put a lot of sugar if you want. You can put maximum of 2 cups of sugar if you want your brownies to be sweet. So, I have 4 eggs. I'm adding eggs one by one because I want to make my brownies to be fudgy. So if you want your brownies to be perfect, you have to follow the right procedure. You don't do any shortcuts. So let's add the eggs one by one. I have here some melted chocolate, and then I'm already done whisking the egg mixture. I'm going to melt the chocolate in the margarine. The margarine is still hot, so the chocolate's going to melt easily. But if you're using commercial chocolate or any artificial chocolate, you should use microwave or double broiler because it has a lot of chemicals and artificial flavors, and it's not going to melt easily even if you put it in the hot margarine. So I'm adding this in the egg mixture, and then I'm going to whisk it until it's well blended. So I'm done with the liquid ingredients. I'm now putting the dry ingredients. I'm just folding it like this. I did not add any salt for this recipe because the margarine is already salted, and later on I'm going to add the salted nuts. So I'm not whisking or stirring it. I'm just folding it until it's well blended. And then I'm going to prepare baking pan. If you're using a bigger baking pan, your brownies will be thinner, and then you have to adjust the temperature. So the standard pan for the brownies is 9 by 11. If you worry that your brownie is going to burn, you should use a parchment paper. But I'm just using a butter and flour coating for the baking pan. So I'm done folding the batter, and then I'm going to put it in the baking pan, and I'm going to bake it for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. As I have said before, if you're using a bigger baking pan, you can adjust the baking time but not the temperature. So the recipe for this video is in the comment section and in the description. So if you follow the right procedure, your brownies will be fudgy. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.